Well, hello, hello. As you can see, I have a shot my dad's car. I had to pick something up yesterday that wasn't heavy, but it was bulky, and there was no way I could have carried it home. So Pete said to me, "Come through, borrow the car for the day, bring it back Sunday morning," which is exactly what I'm doing. Well, at the moment, he can't actually drive because he's had an operation on his hand to help with him gripping things. I can't remember exactly what it's supposed to do, but something along those lines. So I got all my jobs done, and now I'm heading back with it on a rather grey kind of Sunday, to be quite honest. It's not been a bad weekend, bit breezy, but here we are now. The sky's suddenly clouded over. Funny story though. Leaving my mum and dad's yesterday, and I thought I'd broken the car. Oh dear, there was something lying down beside the handbrake, and I thought, shove it in the glove box. Opened the glove box, popped it in, shut it. Uh-oh, the glove box won't shut. It wasn't because it was too full or anything. It literally would not latch. So, kind of sheepishly got out the car, went back into my mum and dad's house. Goes to my dad, can you come out and take a look at this? But it turns out it's something he's aware of, and he's going to get a mechanic that he knows to have a look at it. Something's gone inside. There's like two little latches that hold each end of the box lid shut, and they're not working right. So that was that. But as it is now, I'm just going to drive home. I'll turn the camera around, we can have a little drive, and obviously while I'm driving I can't touch it, legal stuff and all that, and doing things by the book. So let's go, shall we? Oh my, it is getting a bit grey. Ooh, and I'm thinking I'm seeing spots of rain on the window. Yes, I am. Oh well. So I hope everybody's had a good weekend. Mine, as I say, has been fairly quiet. And I think the plan is when I get back to my mum and dad's, drop this thing off. I think we're going out for lunch somewhere, which would be nice. There's a little cafe they often go to. It'll probably be there. My mum's got a loyalty card, they get it stamped up and whatnot. Somebody behind me in a Volkswagen van who's getting kinda close. There is a speed limit on this road, matey, There is a speed limit. I've always been a sensible driver myself. I enjoy driving on a quiet road, but I don't put the foot down and behave like an idiot. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth the risk. Wipe there, I think. Slowing up for the crossroads. Right, have got anybody coming? No, no, clear both ways, let's go. Horsey having a run around that field. And Humpback Bridge ahead of us. I've mentioned it before, it's an old railway bridge, but the line's been completely out of action since the probably late 80s, early 90s. When I was a kid, my mum's brother, my Uncle Jim, used to have this old. Anybody who knows their cars will know what I'm talking about. An old Morris Marina. It's old, even when I was wee. And he had that thing for years. Down that road, oh my lordy, somebody running in this. Oh, you're hardy. So anyway, Jimmy's Morris Marina, that bridge back there, would maybe spend a day at the coast, and then he would come back along that road, flat out over the bridge, sort of like a low budget Dukes of Hazzard moment, as our stomachs, God knows where they ended up. I'm sitting in the back going, as we went over that bridge. Ooh, rah, that rain's coming on. Let's get the wipers on a bit faster, shall we? This is a definite turn up for the books. It was bright when I left home, really bright, quite warm. Oh my life. Oh my life. There's a hardy soul on a bike as well. Goodness me. Definitely a good thing I took a jacket with me today. Oh, magpie. Huh. Well, see you in the next one, and oh lordy, I hope it dries up. I really hope it dries up. Nice weather if you're a duck. Bye bye.